Hey everyone, I'm also from the Purple Acorn in Dublin. My name is David. Just it was a free slot, so I said I'd talk about Tailwind UI. A nice UI library here. So what is the problem? Well, we're doing some active, fast prototyping of a new app in Forest. So we said, let's use one of these UI libraries. And here we have lots of good stuff. We have headings, we have lists, we have forms. So I think someone mentioned Ember Power Select earlier was not accessible anymore, or at all. So that was kind of the inspiration. So here we have a nice declarative list box. And it's using Tailwind CSS framework, obviously. So declarative and probably not so good for integrating with Ember. So what do we do then? We need some way to hook this up to Ember. And there's a thing called headless UI. So what's this now? This is completely unstyled, fully accessible UI components. So this is the backend to Tailwind UI. And there are there's a React implementation and there's a Vue implementation. What's missing? The Ember implementation. So Gavin Joyce has started this project, Ember Headless UI, and this hopes to bridge the gap between Tailwind UI and everyone's favorite UI framework. So here we have a start on some of these nice components. I landed Listbox a couple of weeks ago. Not very exciting, but it is fully accessible and keyboard navigation works like a treat. And there you go. So how does this happen? Now, like I said, this has been implemented in React. All right. So it's pretty mature in React. What good is that to us? Well, the best thing about this is that someone has written about 70 tests for React, and that covers all the accessibility concerns, keyboard navigation. And so let's see if we can do some TDD. We can possibly migrate those tests over to Ember, which is exactly what I did. And once you get to the end of those 70 tests passing, hey, you have a component that works. And I'm not going to go into the source code, I don't have that much time, but I wanted to let everyone know that this project exists, basically. And, with accessibility and keyboard navigation as a first-class citizen. So what do we have? We have a menu, a list box, a switch, a dialog. We're still missing feature parity with React, which has few other things here, so I encourage everyone to make a contribution, and you might have a lot of work saved by using this nice modern UI library hooked up to Ember. So I encourage everyone to check this out, and hopefully we'll get some contributions, and we will one day be in this little drop-down menu with Ember. That's what we're aiming for. That's it really. Thanks for your time. See you later.